Okay, so we're basically taking off his straight pipe.
Me?
Yeah, we are taking off his straight
okay.
pipe. And we're putting this big boy on there. Like, look at that. I know, it's crazy. Compared to this thing sticking out, yeah, it's gonna be massive. Now, if you look under here.
Hey, bro, don't show. Hey, let's not show this.
No, it's okay.
No, it's not.
We're taking this off. Still trying to get it off.
I don't know who did this to my car, but
Yeah, I don't know who
they
did
did a
that.
bad job.
Alright, guys, we got the other pipe off. We had to use a sawzall and cut it off. Now we're gonna install this bad boy.
Here's what came in the kit, guys. So as you can see, we have our muffler right here, our 2 clamps, and our main tube. And here's what came in the kit. Overall, it was only around 400 bucks. You can get something like this, just DM me. Homemade.
Yeah, you can tell that's homemade.
Uh-oh, I'm not sure how to do this. I might need a flathead.
What?
Oh, I need a flathead. Not gonna lie, gang, this doesn't look like a fit.
Actually, if it doesn't fit, that means you don't. That. They.
I swear this doesn't fit. It's like just chopped away. Oh,
What? It fit?
my old hanger's coming out.
Oh.
Where we chopped it last time.
Ah. It looks like it's fitting.
Yeah, but you can't see the pipes though. I really don't want to.
Look at this car, guys. Don't mind the mess. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it's so cold outside. It's literally 38 degrees out, but it feels like freaking 17. But I'm starving, so I'm eating a Pop-Tart right now. And my leg hurts.
Yeah, I think it'll work.
Yeah, I get black snow on your sweatshirt.
I don't care. It might. It'll probably wash out. Grab this. Wait. Alright, you're good. Alright, now we gotta put these on.
Alright, I'll put it on the ground.
Wait.
Now what? And you just got it all inside.
Now I can take these freaking earbuds out.
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Nope.
Soon he'll be getting Alibaba wheels or rims.
That is true.
How much did you buy it for?
Like 400 bucks, I think.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Probably around there. I didn't buy them. I might buy them. First try. This came from the UK, by the way.
Yeah. You should have seen the box it came in.
Yeah. Don't show them, though, because it's kind of on my porch.
No worry, I'll be, yeah.
Okay. As long as you'll be, yeah. But, anyways. Oh, guys. I'm supposed to get on my car.
Once we finish, then we can hear it.
Okay, well, I don't really
it's cold.
My room.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Look. Look at that. Look how huge that is compared. Okay, look at this compared to this thing. Like, dude, that's huge. I wonder what it looks like without the jack.
Without the what?
The jack. We gotta start it up.
I wonder how low it is.
Oh, imagine you hit a bum and it scrapes.
Dude, that suck.
I don't know.
Is there anything under there?
No, I don't see anything.
Huh?
I don't see anything. It's huge.
Huh?
It's huge.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Next up is lowering springs.
Yep. Alright, we're gonna show you what it sounds like fired up. Alright guys,
I wonder if it'll start.
we're starting up the beamer. We're gonna try to start up the beamer.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
Behind.
You gotta get the best sound, huh?
Yeah, right here.
You gotta like. Uh-oh.
It died. Yeah, the car's having some problems. Smells so good. We're joking.
You good?
Yeah. Rev it.
No.
Why?
If I rev it, it dies. At least it looks cool.
It sounds pretty good.
Oh, there we go. See, she evened out.
Yeah.
Why did it actually like even out so well?
Why does it sound like it's about to die? We gotta rev it for the video.
Yeah, the RPMs dip when I rev though.
Oh.
It's quieter.
It's quieter now. And it died. Well,
That's underwhelming.
I'll show you. I'll put a video in of what it sounded like before we installed this. Guys, I'm oil farming. Like, look at this. Except it sounds so bad.